Hey, what do you say? Nothing. GZTI. That sounds like a sensor beep, it's annoying.
I can't help it.
Then go to the repair shed.
Good idea.
Sounds great. Hey, what do you say? Excuse me, but 2810, what happened to your antenna? I don't want to talk about it. Darn those pranksters. Hi, who are you?
I'm SD10. I'm a learner. Nice to meet you.
Doesn't Pete annoy you 24/7? Yes, he does. What do you all say?
Go away.
Hey, 2810. Leave me alone. Thanks a lot. My antenna is broken again. Warning. The core is at critical. All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown. Hey, South Carolina, what do you say? For crap's sake, 1003 needs to leave Thunderbolt alone. Hey, South Carolina, what do you say? For crap's sake, 1003 needs to leave Thunderbolt alone. Warning. The reactor will explode in 2 minutes. Hey, you broke my antenna again. And what do you say? Get out of my way. Hey bro. How are your collector rings doing? I am gonna turn you into free hockey pucks if you don't stop it. What do you say? Hey, what do you say? Excuse me. Hey, what do you say?
Excuse me, but who are those guys?
I have no idea.
Hello.
Hi. Where can we get Tempest Cola?
Go to Slurpee Mart. They have them for $1.
Where is that?
Ask Waylon. He's over there.
Hey, what do you all say?
Excuse me.
Dance on my balls, cat f***ing my handbag. What do you say?
Excuse me.
Susan.
Huh? What? I don't speak Japanese. Oh. PTW, who are you?
I'm Bose Musin.
Nice to meet you. Hey, what do you say? Arrest him. Oh my god, my antenna has been, and this time it wasn't Thunderbolt or 2001 DC.
Day 2810, do you know what to do, Canada? What happened to your antenna?
The stupid heat wave is bending my antenna even more. It's annoying, but not as annoying as burps. Hey, what do you say? Excuse me, but now is not the time to talk. It is burning out here. You're not kidding. ATI just spontaneously combusted. Let's go inside and watch the news and see what there is to do.
Oh, we need to go now, you.
Come on, let's go meet 3v8H at the park so he doesn't explode.
Hello.
Hi.
How may I help you?
3 season passes for Splash City.
That will be $30.
Here you go.
Thank you. Can I have your names?
3v8H.
One at a time, please.
40v to T. 3v8H. 2810.
Okay, I need to take a picture of you guys' faces. Stand here. Okay, here you go and enjoy your day at Splash City Water Park.
Thanks. Hello. Hi. May I see your passes, please? Here you go. And hey, how are your collector rings doing? Oh, is there a snack bar here? Yes. It's just around the corner. And we just stocked up on Tempest Cola. And here's your passes back. Thank you. What do you guys want to do first? Guys, where are you? Hey, what do you say? Excuse me. Let's go on the toilet slide first. That was fun. Let's go to the buckets. But first, I wanna go on it again. It was very fun. Oh look. There's 3v8H. 3v8H crapped in the slide. Shut up 40v to T. I was scared and it suddenly happened. Really? Now my antenna broke. Will anyone stop crashing into me? Hey, the bucket is coming down. Wow, that is a lot of water. I'm gonna have water in my horns all year. Here, let's go on the playground now. I'm gonna turn in the valve of water that 2810 is right under. Really 40v to T. What is that noise? Oh, it's a mummy. Holy crap. Oh, the park is ruined. Now what are we gonna do? IDK.
Hey, who's up for a game of soccer? The heat has gone down.
All of us. We are. Man, this was such a good day until P50 ruined it. But the game of soccer was fun. And now we are hanging out by a campfire with my bros. Yep, it was a good day. A good day indeed. Hey, what do you say? Go away, we don't care. Wow, P50. Thanks for reviving me. I didn't think you were ever gonna be nice. Oh my god. You were P-50 in disguise. Hey, what do you say?
Go away. We don't care. Good riddance.
Agreed. Now let's take his pole to West Shore, sir. Dang it. How dare you fire your laser at me, you gassy blue toilet. That's it. Even though I ain't P50, I'll just do this.
Ugh. I got it all over me.
Are you kidding me? Like, come on, man. You're not P50. That's it. Since you made me shred up a bottle of Tempest Cola for a stupid reason, I am now going to teleport you to the Burp Asylum. Oh no. Not the Burp Asylum. Hey. What do you all say? Hey. What do you say?
Excuse me.
Hey. What do you say?
Excuse me. Now get out.
Hey. What do you both say? Excuse me.
Get the out.
Hey. What do you say? Oh my god, it smells so bad in here I think I'm gonna pass out. And hot.
What the heck is going on in here?
Oh. Hi.
Well, well. if it isn't 28 Tim bothering my Siren colleagues by making them say excuse me. Now GTFO.
Not again. J2810, there's a new machine we are testing out in TSM Park for Tempest Colonian. I thought you might want to be the first to try it. Okay. That was good.
Hey, what do you say?
Okay, you got me. Hey, is that a bottle of Tempest Cola for me? With a note? Tier 2810, I heard you started drinking Tempest Cola now, so here's a bottle of Tempest Cola for you. Signed, Waylon. Oh well, it wouldn't hurt to have another one. Hey, what do you say? Not again. Hey, you just burped. What do you say? What the 2810? Didn't you learn your lesson from previous episodes? And why are you colored red? I am not 2810 anymore. I am the Burpinator. If you burp I will fire my laser at you. And you burped so loud it made my ears ring. So now, you will face my laser. Hey, what do you say? Go away you mascara stick.
Seriously, 2810? Why do you keep doing that?
I hate burps. Especially that loud.
Well, if they don't say excuse me, that is none of your business. Now face my laser.
Hey, what do you say?
Screw you. Get out of my way.
Hey, what do you say?
Go away 28K. Why are you red?
I am not 2810 anymore. I am the Burpinator. I will destroy you with my laser, if you burp.
Well crap.
I'm a firing my laser! You are all under arrest for damaging to sirens, causing 10 sirens to pass out, and crashing ATI's appetizers.
Do you really think you can put me in jail after the last time we have met?
I am ready for you this time. Me and the guards have earplugs that will lessen the intensity of the beep. Guards, get them.
Face my clones. Face them.
Oh crap. Hey, what do you all say? Who even said they don't allow Whalen 2810 tornado sirens here at the zoo?
How ridiculous.
Hey, what do you say?
Where am I? The last thing I remember was hearing an air horn go off.
I am the Burpinator. I will fire my laser at anyone who perps.
How does my new tone sound? Wow, it sounds like an EAS.
Hey, you think you idiots could defeat us? Well, don't count on it.
Mother, we're still alive. Dry Blaster, you're coming with us.
Oh no. Dry Blaster.
The rest of you, face my tone. Face it.
That's right. Not prepared to be vanquished. Any last words? Yeah. I'm a firing my laser! Hey, what do you say? Go shut up you loud-mouthed mascara stick one-man army hockey pull tower. Oh, so that's how it's gonna be, Get 'em. You silly square trumpet. You thought you could defeat me. Well, how about I make you great stars evening.